Hello friend, welcome to biggest goat of the world YouTube channel. Beetal goats are likely named for the city of Batala, India, around where purebred animals are still found. They can be known by other names relating to their geographical location, for example, Desi, Amritari, or Lahori. Origin: native to the Batala area in the Gurdaspur district of the Punjab region, near the border of India and Pakistan, and distributed throughout the Punjab, in both countries, and into nearby states, such as Haryana, India. A large goat breed with a short, lustrous coat and long, hanging ears, 10 to 18 inches. 25 to 45 centimeters long. The prominent nasal bridge gives a distinct Roman nose that is profound in some lines, although bite should remain aligned. The Roman nose is more pronounced in males, ending abruptly. Both sexes have horns, although there are some individuals. Horns are small and thick, lying horizontally backwards, close to the body, sometimes with a slight twist. Males have a dewlap, loose skin under neck. Neither sex has a beard.